Bitrue app. The pros, the cons. The Bitrue app is a cryptocurrency exchange focused on altcoins and passive income opportunities. You won't believe the interest rates offered for staking, but most people get this wrong by underestimating the platform's security and usability. Pros include a wide range of altcoins, competitive trading fees, staking and lending features for earning interest, and a clean, easy-to-use interface. Security is strong with two-factor authentication, cold storage, and insurance protection. Bitrue also offers educational tools and active promotions for users. The cons include a limited number of fiat options for deposits, custodial wallets, and restricted availability in some countries. Beginners may find the focus on altcoins a bit overwhelming. Customer support can also be inconsistent at times. In conclusion, the Bitrue app is ideal for crypto enthusiasts looking to trade altcoins and earn passive income. It's secure, accessible, and rewarding, but beginners should familiarize themselves with altcoin trading and staking risks.